It's hard to imagine Hezbollah without weapons. Even Hezbollah itself can't picture that reality. The party was never just a political movement. It was built around an armed organization. Politics came after the guns, not before them. Even their flag says it all. From day one, it showed a hand gripping a rifle, an image that became the heart of Hezbollah's identity. But the recent confrontation with Israel changed the balance. The ceasefire on November 27, 2024 made it official. Hezbollah accepted it, even though it demanded their disarmament. Barely 2 weeks later, another shock. The Assad regime collapsed in Syria. And with that, the Iranian lifeline was cut. So, rebuilding after the war suddenly became nearly impossible. Outside pressure is now matched by something inside Lebanon. For the first time in decades, the government decided that only the state could hold weapons. And in a country of so many sects, one group holding arms has always provoked fear in the others. The debate has been alive since the civil war ended in 1990. So Hezbollah found itself at a turning point. To limit the damage, it agreed to start disarming, starting in the area south of the Litani River, closest to Israel. As always, Hezbollah tried to buy time. It hoped the pressure would fade, like it did after the 2006 war. But this time is different. The war ended with Hezbollah defeated. Israel is still carrying out daily strikes on its fighters, bases, depots. And the international push is stronger than ever. Americans, Israelis, Europeans, Arabs, everyone is demanding disarmament. And money for reconstruction won't come as long as Hezbollah stays armed. Here's the dilemma. Hezbollah can't give up its weapons. They are at the core of its identity. But it also can't block disarmament completely. That would mean endless attacks, no protection for its leaders, no funds for rebuild the homes of tens of thousands of Shi'i families. So it bends with the storm, resisting just enough to slow it down. When the Lebanese army starts its plan to disarm Hezbollah soon in the areas north of the Litani River, the party won't fight, but it will drag things out. Never enough to spark a civil conflict, just enough to delay. And the future? If the storm keeps up, international momentum, Israeli strikes, Hezbollah could lose most, maybe all of its weapons over time. But if the momentum fades, say through a political shift in Israel or a Turkish-Iranian rapprochement that shapes Syria, then Hezbollah might hold on to part of its arsenal, and from there try once again to rebuild its strength.